Hello there. Do you know how to easily remember what is our spec? Imagine an engine and all surrounded sensors and electronic components. This is what we do. This is what we make. Starting from common rail injection system, we make high pressure injection pumps. We make pressure control valves. We make also injectors and nozzles. And of course, we also make oil pressure sensors, water pressure sensors, knock sensors, crankshaft position sensors, and many others. But in this cycle, we will focus on after-treatment system. So now let's imagine a modern diesel after-treatment system. And this complex system is surrounded by many different kind of sensors. And we, BestGrowth, we make all of them. We make exhaust gas temperature sensors. We make DPF sensors. We make, of course, NOx sensors, urea injection modules, and urea pumps. In the following 4 movies, I will talk about 4 key components of the after-treatment system, focusing on the surrounded electronic equipments that we make. So first in rail is DOC, which is diesel oxidation catalyst. What does it do? It of course oxidizes. It turns carbon monoxide into carbon dioxides. It turns hydrocarbon into carbon dioxides and water. And it also turns nitric oxide into the nitric dioxides. The overall efficiency of the DOC is between 80 and 90%, which is pretty high. And as we can see, it is surrounded by exhaust gas temperature sensors. What is the purpose of those sensors? But of course to measure the exhaust gas temperature, because the DOC works efficiently when the exhaust gas temperature is between 200 and 500 degrees. When it drops below 200, the efficiency also drops significantly down. But for this would be enough to have one temperature sensor. So why do we have 2 of them? And having 2 temperature sensors, one before and one after DOC, is a very smart idea. The reactions that are taking place in the DOC are exothermic, which means that when they take place, the additional heat is being emitted. In consequence, the gases that leaves the DOC are 20 to 50 degrees hotter than the gases that enters the DOC. And this is what ECU monitors. By checking the temperature difference, it knows the efficiency of the DOC. For instance, when the gases on inlet has 500 degrees, so the gases on outlet supposed to have 520 up to 550 degrees. If there is no temperature difference, it simply means that DOC is not working. It is damaged, choked, or it needs to be simply replaced. So the efficient way to measure the exhaust gas temperature before and after DOC is very important. And of course, BestGrowth makes those sensors. They look like this. These are the probes that are located inside the exhaust pipe. We produce various kinds of EGT sensors that you can find on our catalog. Thanks for watching. See you next time.